So dear viewers, after completing our layer properties, now we'll go for block. So this is also a important tools to work and to save your work also in AutoCAD. So how we'll create block, how we'll edit that, how we'll insert that block when we need. In this lecture, I'm going to show you that. Suppose you have a work, suppose this is a say this is a door. Okay, this is a door and we want to save that door for further work. For further work we want to save that door. So how we'll save it, where we'll save it? Okay, so to save it, first of all we have to create a block. Now I'm going to show that how we'll create a block. So to create a block of that, I'll take a safe copy of that here and I'll copy it here. Okay, now I'll go for its dimension or anything. If you want to show its dimension, so here its dimension and also dimension in that direction. Okay, suppose this is a door. Now what we want to do, we want to create a block of it. So to create block, I will select it. After selecting it, click here, create. Here option is click create and you'll see that option available here. Otherwise select it and press B, then enter. Also you will see that option. Now provide a name, at which name you want to save it. So I'll provide its name is door S, that means door sample. I am providing this name. This name should be unique. If you have a name previously saved in that same name, your block will not create. So here they have two options, base point and object. So already we have select our object, no need to select our object. Now I'll click here pick point. I'll click here pick point. So at which point you want to control your block, I will suppose click that option. So this is our pick point of that block, and they have some option behavior, which types of behavior you want to show. I will not take it because it will be default. And here in object convert to block, I will use convert to block. And if you want to add any description, then you can add it here. And here block unit, so at which unit you want to set your block. I'll not change it, it should be default. Okay, so when everything is okay, simply click OK. Done. We have created our block, and you'll see now we have created a block where it's have only one point to identify because we have selected that point as a base point. But if you come here, if you click on it, just see it's a single element. So in this way you are able to create block for any element or for anything.